Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Indus Trader YouTube channel. From today we're gonna to also start daily analysis video along with the other videos. We are also doing some playlist on the free option course. If you have not yet checked it out, it's very useful for the beginners. So please also try to check it out. And coming to today's market, if you see we opened a gap down and thereafter we see a continuous selling here. At every rise, sellers shown their power, and you can see, especially if you see the bank nifty, it's almost closed near to the day's close. And if you see in the nifty, we got at least some recovery, but compared to bank nifty closed is showing negativeness in the bank nifty. So before that, let me move to daily time frame. This is our nifty daily time frame, and these levels I already updated in our Indus Trader Telegram channel on Monday. What is the date of Monday? Like this Monday, in the starting of the week, I already updated these levels. If you see at the time, the CMP current market price of Nifty is at 20,192, and I clearly mentioned here two strong demand zones. Okay, you can see here, you can pause the video and you can see, and these are the same levels which I mentioned in the Telegram channels. Yes, but if you see, we got a rejection from our lower level. The same thing I even updated in our Telegram channel as well, you can see. So now here on I will be seeing more on buying side. I will be focused on long side. This is my personal view, and I'm going to also explain you how you should plan your tomorrow's trades. So if this level breaches out again in the very short distance, we have another demand zone. So overall I will change my bias only once 19,400 breaks. Okay, one more thing, if we apply Fibonacci from this low to this high, okay, maybe I should move it till down. Okay, yes, if you see, it's also 0.5 level. Okay, so tomorrow it's going to be very interesting day to see how bulls are going to take over from here, but I'm personally expecting a bull run from here. So let's discuss. So I again saying you that I repeat it, below 19,400 daily closing I will change my bias. Till then I will be on long side only. Yes, this fall is due to some of global factors as well, like Fed hawkish statements are also part of this. So now let's move to tomorrow's analysis. Okay, now coming to, let's start with Nifty. And Nifty, if you see, let's say tomorrow if it open in between these zones 19,760 and 19,716, then I will avoid the trade until and unless we got a good breakout above 19,760. Thereafter I will stay long till 19,806. Okay, whatever the long positions I am taking above 19,760, I will book my profits at 19,808 and 19,826. In between I will book my profits, and from here on I will try to find a short setup. Okay, again the range will be the same. If you see 19,760, I keep the target for this, and I will short from here by keeping stop loss above 19,826. And let's say market open gap down, then I will not trade, because here the most important point which my trade suggestion is, like, it's not suggestion, it's like I am explaining my logics in this video. Like if I get a correction from here, then I will short from here, and if I want to go buy long side, then I will go purely long side or above 19,826. Okay, if market opens gap up, then I will wait for strong closing above 19,826. Thereafter I will trade on long. And tomorrow's on my trade setup, I have three setups. That is, one thing, if market opens flat, Nifty opens flat and gives a breakout 19,760, in any pullback I will take the trade till 19,808. This is my first setup. And second setup is, if market opens in between 19,760 and 19,806, then I will try to trade this setup. This is short side setup by keeping stop loss above this range. And if market closes above this zone, okay, then also I will plan a long trade. This is my third setup. And the fourth setup is, obviously sometimes we may not get rejection from 19,806. Then in that case I will again give a try with very small stop loss at 19,008 to 826, and I will again plan a short trade here. This is my trade plan. But what I suggest for the beginners, I suggest you to wait until 19,826 break. After, if sustaining above 19,826, then we may see a good rally on the bullish side. This is going to be my trade plan in Nifty 50. Coming to Bank Nifty, I say beginners, you avoid trading in this, because if you see it's showing like HDFC is the main reason we are seeing this much of fall. And if somehow already 10% down HDFC. So if you see recent days, I'm talking about recent days, if you see, if we get any short covering also, we may see a volatility in this. Okay, so that's the reason I not suggest beginners to trade. But still, what is my trade plan, I'm going to explain this. Okay, I will be long, just like 19,826 here, 45,117 is the range. Above this, I will be looking for long trades, and I will take a position by keeping stop loss just below this level, and I will trail my stop loss. And coming to short position, I will again short at this level. If if it is not sustaining above this zone 45,117, then I will short and I will keep my target at 44,600. So this is going to be my first setup, and this is going to be my second setup. And coming to, let's say it's open flat, then above, after crossing 44,885, I will take a short scalping trade till 45,117. This is going to be my trade plan in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So if you have any doubt, or let's say by seeing morning global market conditions, I will trade my, if any updates in this level, I will update in the Telegram channel. If you have not yet joined the Telegram channel, you have to join, link is in the description. Okay, see you in the Telegram channel with the updates. Okay, until then, this is Venkata Krishna signing off. Jai Hind.